at saka sa statement ng COS, ng OVP. So, na-realize natin dito, kaliwas doon sa kwento nila, yung tunay na pangyayari. Of course, pinatunayan niya na noon yung interpellation ni representative. So,
He accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
Mr. Chairman, yes, Congressman Paduan. Congressman Paduan. Madam Vice President, if you have any questions, so far the actions of this committee.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ma'am, could you please repeat your answer, madam?
For
Yes. Now, may I know, Mr. Edward Parga, kasi may question ay asawa po ninyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Para doon na lang ipapalala ang kayo. Effectively by passing official documentation of all the transactions.
Po kasing asawa ko kasi so kung ako ay nasa Davao, so I decided na mag-apply po ako sa DepEd. Kaya nagkasama po kami.
I think there's a need already to amend. Di ba? Kasi yung ama ko wala pa ng 20% ng coverage ko. Ano po yun? Ano ang ibig sabihin? Ano ang included sa payment of operational /MOA expenses of the Office of the Vice President Secretary of the Department? Sigurado ako, alam mo dapat ito eh. Dahil sinabi mo rin dito kanina sa aking pag...
Your Honor, it's almost 3 o'clock. The speaker will...
So can we just ask our guests to please wait here? Handa po sila po namin yung plenary duties namin kasi kailangan lang po namin pumunta doon tapos babalik na lang po kami dito. Or kung wala naman po kayo masyadong